left behind in the good old days, they just keep on coming. Yeah, we're moving on. Got the world with me and no place I'd rather be than rolling.
So we've been telling you guys about our little tire issues. Woke up this morning, started to hit the road, and it showed, our TPMS showed 40 PSI. So put some air in it, called up Trevely Tire, JTTS Tire Shop, and brought the rig in. So Isaiah is going to take care of us here. And he's starting up the jack, and we're going to take a look. Figure it out if it's our extension or our TPMS or slow leak. He's got a massive jack over here.
Is there any chance you could self-jack it up?
Yeah, absolutely. I gotta turn it back on to do that, but I can do it. All right, we're gonna have to use our own jacks to jack it up, so we'll see how it goes here.
Do you have the tool for the center cap? The center cap on screw?
I have no idea. That's more than I've ever seen. Oh. It didn't move at all with you?
No, I gave it like a little, you know.
I got a pair of channel locks also, but they're not nothing special. They're same as yours. That's the right tool, it's just the wrong size. And that's the same size that I have.
Called?
The rim, the center hubcap.
How to remove?
Center hubcap.
Cap. On Freightliner, like it says Freightliner.
I think we pull this part off, and then it has like a little snap ring.
Yeah, like inside.
Yeah. But I don't know if this part has to come off or not.
Good morning, tubers. I hope you're having a fine day. Today's episode will be a show and tell and how not to remove one of these. Don't remove one of these with a big prise bar and screwdrivers and tire irons. Because if you do, it will have a shape that is somewhat like this, which doesn't really make it good for anything except maybe straining gravel. Remove one of these.
I think it pops off from the videos.
Yeah, I know. All the videos I'm seeing on YouTube are it pops off from the inside. Like it pops off.
That whole can pops
the whole
off.
can. Like there's a snap ring in here.
There's
You can pop it off.
yeah, so this thing.
That was it. You gotta go clockwise. I was going counterclockwise.
Left side of the truck. Because if it's the other way, it would lose enough as you drive.
You're spinning.
That's why it wouldn't help.
Thank you. You have to spin. What's that thing called?
That center nut,
Spin
clockwise.
the center.
That rim, you gotta get the bracket off, right? The bracket's smooth. You get the rim past the bracket, right? Huh?
What bracket?
I think so.
That little bracket.
It looks like.
Oh yeah, you get the rim past that. Okay. Sometimes
It
they
doesn't look like it's overpaint at all. Maybe a little on the right.
but
not bad.
double check that base of that stem. That's the problem.
You think that's a problem?
It's loose.
Well, I know it's.
The whole thing's moving.
Yeah.
And
And
inside
okay,
the steel wheel.
so here's the thing. There's a little rubber grommet that's supposed to hook into this wheel.
Let's get back in there.
I put it back in. It came off within those 2 days.
Because it's moving. This is another step. You're not supposed to do that.
You're not supposed to do that
You're
at
not
all.
supposed to do that at all.
Okay, good.
You're supposed to tight. This is coming loose. This is right here.
Okay.
This is we'll put that back in the rim.
Right.
But
I've had to put that back in.
I guarantee you that might be the stem that's leaking. So
Oh, that would be that's good news, right? That's an easy fix.
you don't need a tire.
Okay, that's good news.
Say it again. I do or don't?
No, he
need a
won't
tire.
if that's the problem.
All right, that's a good. That's a start.
Well, good to know, right? We're learning. Everything is a learning thing.
I know. I didn't know about that wrong way. So basically what we were doing was tightening it.
I didn't think Freightliner would do that, you know? That's usually like a Japanese or like, you know.
So you know how when we release the airbags,
Yeah.
see that big thing that looks like a big trash can? That's the airbag.
Okay.
And that's why when we do our shocks, those are our airbag shocks. So when we hit bumps and stuff,
Yeah.
it's soft because that's an airbag.
Okay. So nothing looks bad though.
I thought that was bad.
So you think it was just the I don't really understand how they're explaining the stem very well. I didn't really get it, but do you want to explain so we can have a good video for people to understand so they don't make the same mistake?
So you put air in the tires through the valve stem. The same thing that we broke on our Toad,
Right.
the valve stem.
Yep.
Well, in order to fill up the inside tire, they have it on that long extension to go out so we can fill up both without trying to.
Right. Go around.
So he's saying that's loose. It's not supposed to wiggle and jiggle like that. It also might have been that little tube connection from this stem out through the other stem connection, or the TPMS monitor itself might have been pulling it.
I want some tires like that.
You want a new stem? Because this is pretty.
Yeah, I mean, if you can change out the stem and keep the tire,
Yeah, it's not supposed to look like that.
then deal, let's do it.
This is supposed to be like, you know, it's a brand new one compared to the one that's sort of
Now,
giving you.
yeah, let's change that out. See how this is straight?
Yeah,
And
that's
then
bent.
the helmet back?
Yep.
Yeah, if you don't mind, let's do that. Let's change out the stem. Are we talking expensive? How much are we talking for not changing this out?
Like less than $5.
Absolutely.
But how do we know that that's not leaking? There's not a leak on
Well,
this.
so what he's going to do, he's going to put the new stem on, he's going to blow up the tire again, and we'll check to make sure there's no leaks at that point. This might make some noise right here, because he's going to let out 80 pounds of pressure. So this is the back of the stem that we
Okay.
just popped off.
Uh-huh.
And then now is a good time to look on the inside
Uh-huh.
to make sure there's no nail or anything puncturing inside.
The never-ending saga of leaving New Jersey. We had the same tire leak again when we pulled out to leave today from our harvest host at the orchard in, where are we? I don't even know where we are right now. What state are we in? Connecticut. So while we're trying to leave here, as we're making our way to Rhode Island to our good friends,
So currently we're staying at Foxwoods Casino in Connecticut, and it is busier than most of the RV parks we've stayed at lately. A lot of people, we've been here for 2 days staying here, gambling, spending money, getting fresh haircuts. But I am just overwhelmed with the amount of people that are here in the last 2 days. We've seen so many campers come and go, and I don't know if they're gambling or just camping for the weekend, but I was impressed. So I had to get out the camera and show all of you guys and kind of give you the little hint that a lot of casinos have parking lots, big parking lot, and they allow campers to stay. Come gamble, of course. So of course they're gonna let you stay for free. I mean, take a look around here. I'm gonna try to get where it's not so obvious here, but let's see if I can count them all. 1, 2, 3. There's another bus. 4. Over here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I mean, this is really crazy to me. I'm gonna guess over 20 RVs just tonight, Saturday night. So the casino's busy. Plus I think Alabama's playing tonight, so there might be some Alabama fans that wanted to come. I know there's another band over here called National Drive. They pulled up with all their band equipment and band members. There we are, so we can't even count that one. But school bus was here before we even got here. They keep coming and going and losing their spot to new people. It's not the most even, and leveling is quite hard for most people. But even in the normal lot, in the normal lot, where we're not supposed to be parking RVs, there's a couple Bs and camper vans, and even people sleeping in their vans over in the far lot. So I had to break out the camera and just take a quick little lap and show you guys, and also let you in on an idea of the casino, because we never even thought about it. Our friends told us a couple weeks ago, hey, you should stop at the casino. They have a big parking lot. I'm like, oh, what a great idea. We thought we were gonna be in the parking lot of the casino by ourselves, no one to talk to. There's literally people everywhere at this casino. So take a look. We might see you guys